Today's gadgets depend on FR-4 to do their jobs. It's an epoxy laminate strengthened with fiberglass that is strong, won't catch fire, and provides good electrical insulation. In fact, this is the main reason why it's used for printed circuit boards in computers, smartphones, medical equipment, cars, and industrial systems. However, not all FR-4 boards are the same. What makes a real difference is how carefully the stack-up is planned, how evenly the copper is plated, and how tightly the production tolerances are kept. Even the best FR-4 can fail under pressure if these things aren't taken care of. We know these things are important at HighPCB. That's why we carefully follow them and make things that meet strict IPC standards. Every FR-4 PCB we make is made to be reliable, keep signals intact, and work well for a long time, whether it's a layered or high-density design. You can trust HighPCB to send you boards, whether you need samples or a lot of them. Check out the link in the description, and if you need a free advice, you can always get in touch with us.